Well, here we go again. Got another nice fight, Antonio Lasquaga versus Jamel Magramo. Antonio Lasquaga 5-1-0. Recently he got knocked out and Kenshiro Teraji destroyed him with body shot and follow-up punches, but this guy priorly was undefeated. He defeated some good names and Jamel Magramo has experience under his belt. This Filipino boxer mustn't be underrated. He's going to have slight reach advantage and the guy can take a beating. He lost to Junto Nakatani via knockout, Taku Kuwahara via decision, but he can take a beating, he can punish people, and Magramo is very unpredictable boxer. Lasquaga underestimated Kenshiro Teraji. It costed him a lot. I hope he learned his lesson. Magramo is very good inside the clinch. He's very good inside the range, and I have a feeling that Magramo might actually pull out an upset. I'm not sure about this fight. Could really go either way. But I have some weird feeling that Magramo could pull this out. So I'm going to go with over 4.5 side call. I think Filipino boxer could get it done.